Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. So in today's video, I'll be teaching you guys how to add a Vimeo section or Vimeo widget over to your Wix website from scratch using the site builder. So without further ado, let's dive right in. So to actually do this is quite simple, and the first thing that you guys need to do is you want to make sure that you're logged into your Vimeo account as an administrator, and you want to do the same for your Wix as you make the transfer. So as you can see, I'm on the dashboard right now. And the idea here is we want to open the site builder. So there are a couple of ways to get there. You could either click on the site and mobile app button, or you would want to click on design site, and it should take you to this page right here where you get to configure your website. So if I were to add a new element to this, you guys would want to click on the plus icon. So this will bring up the add elements tab, where we'll look for the video and music subcategory. So it's this one right here. And when you click on this one, you'll see right away that there's an option under single video players where you get to choose from YouTube, Vimeo, Facebook, Dailymotion, and so on. So obviously we're going to opt for Vimeo here. So all we have to do is drag this and place it wherever we want the video to be showcased on our website. So let's do this one right here. And then you click on settings and change the embed code and basically input the URL for the video that we want to be played on our website. Once you've made your changes, hit save, publish, and you guys are done. So yeah, that's the video. So thank you guys for watching, and hopefully it helped you out. Be sure to subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on any of our videos. And once again, thank you for watching, and we'll see you guys later. Bye-bye.